Have you ever wondered how websites manage to answer customer questions instantly, any time of day or night? What if a tool on your website could talk with visitors, solve problems, and guide decisions automatically? Chatbots are quickly becoming a central part of how businesses communicate with customers online. I'm Sissy with Noupe, and in this video we will explore what chatbots are, how they work, the different types that businesses use, the industries where they appear most often, the benefits they provide for companies and customers, and what you should consider if you're thinking about adding a chatbot to your website. Let's jump right in. A chatbot is a computer program designed to simulate human conversation through written messages or spoken language. It allows people to interact with digital systems as if they were communicating with another person. The chatbot interprets user input, processes the request, and provides a response that helps the user complete a task or find information. The main purpose of a chatbot is to automate conversations so customers can receive help without waiting for a human representative. Acting like a virtual assistant, a chatbot can answer frequently asked questions, guide users through services, process simple requests, and offer recommendations based on the information it already understands. Modern chatbots are far more advanced than early programs that only responded to specific keywords. Today's systems can understand context, remember earlier interactions, and learn from conversations over time to improve their responses. Because of this progress, businesses now use several different categories of chatbots with different capabilities. Understanding the different types of chatbots is important when deciding which one is right for a particular business need. Each type has different strengths and limitations. The first type is the rule-based chatbot, sometimes called a scripted or decision tree chatbot, which follows a set of predefined instructions. Rule-based chatbots rely on programmed logic to guide conversations. When a user enters a message, the system searches for keywords and matches them with responses that have already been written. The conversation follows a structured path, similar to moving through steps in a flowchart. These chatbots work well when interactions are predictable. They are commonly used to answer frequently asked questions, schedule appointments, provide customer support information, and retrieve data from existing systems. Because their responses are pre-written, they provide reliable and consistent answers for common requests. However, rule-based chatbots also have limitations. They cannot understand questions that fall outside their programmed rules, and they do not interpret context beyond what they were designed to handle. When a user asks something unexpected, the chatbot may respond with a generic message or transfer the conversation to a human agent. AI-powered chatbots offer a more flexible approach. These systems use machine learning and natural language processing to understand the meaning behind a user's message, instead of simply matching keywords. They can interpret intent even when people phrase questions in different ways. Because AI-powered chatbots learn from interactions, they improve over time. They can recognize patterns in conversations, adapt responses, and maintain context throughout an exchange. This allows them to handle more complex requests and provide responses that feel more natural and personalized. Conversational AI chatbots represent the most advanced category of chatbot technology. These systems use generative artificial intelligence and large language models to create responses that resemble human conversation. They can understand context across multiple messages and respond with detailed explanations or solutions. In addition to answering questions, conversational AI chatbots can assist with tasks such as writing content, analyzing information, or helping users solve problems step by step. They also adjust their tone and communication style depending on the user's needs and the type of request being made. Another category is the voice chatbot. Instead of typing messages, users interact with these systems by speaking. Voice chatbots combine speech recognition, natural language processing, and speech synthesis to interpret spoken language and respond with audio replies. Voice-enabled chatbots are especially useful in situations where hands-free interaction is helpful. People use them to set reminders, control connected devices, check weather updates, or ask quick questions through natural speech. Hybrid chatbots combine rule-based systems with artificial intelligence. Routine requests are handled using structured scripts, while more complicated conversations are managed by AI technology that can interpret intent and respond dynamically. This approach allows businesses to combine reliability with flexibility. To understand how chatbots function, it helps to examine the technology working behind each conversation. Every chatbot interaction begins when input is processed. During this phase, the system examines the message, detects the language being used, and separates the text into components that can be analyzed further. Once the message is prepared, natural language processing analyzes it. After understanding the request, the chatbot generates a response. Several technologies support modern chatbot functionality. Natural language processing allows chatbots to understand human language. Machine learning helps systems improve with experience. Large language models enable advanced conversation abilities, while pattern recognition identifies common questions and user behavior trends. Chatbots are now used across many industries because they improve efficiency and customer experiences. Customer service is the most common application. Businesses use chatbots to answer questions, provide 24/7 support, and assist customers through website chat systems. Chatbots are also widely used in e-commerce and retail. They help customers discover products, compare features, complete purchases, and track orders. Companies can also use chatbots to follow up on abandoned carts. These features reduce the workload on customer support teams while providing faster information to shoppers. Healthcare organizations use chatbots to schedule appointments, provide symptom guidance, send medication reminders, and share educational information about treatments or conditions. Financial institutions use chatbots to help customers check account balances, review transactions, and receive alerts about unusual activity. Educational institutions use chatbots for student support, course information, administrative tasks, and learning support. Travel companies rely on chatbots to assist with booking flights or hotels, customer service, providing travel updates, and recommending activities or attractions at destinations. Chatbots provide several advantages for businesses. They reduce customer service costs by handling routine questions automatically, while employees focus on more complex tasks. They also operate 24/7 without breaks, allowing companies to support customers at any hour. Chatbots can manage multiple conversations simultaneously, making them highly scalable during busy periods. Every interaction also generates useful data. Businesses can analyze chatbot conversations to understand customer preferences, common questions, and potential issues. Customers benefit from chatbots as well. Instant responses eliminate waiting times. Chatbots are convenient as they are available whenever customers need help. Many systems also personalize interactions by remembering previous conversations and preferences. Chatbots are also consistent. The chatbot market continues to grow as organizations adopt automated communication tools. Millions of people now interact with AI chatbots regularly, and businesses across industries are increasing their use of conversational technology. Looking ahead, chatbot systems will become even more personalized and integrated across digital platforms. Conversations will move smoothly between text, voice, and visual elements while maintaining context. Businesses selecting a chatbot should evaluate their goals, technical requirements, budget, scalability, and integration needs before choosing a platform. Noupe provides a simple solution that learns from your website content and launches quickly with a single embed code. There is no cost to start, no technical expertise is needed. There is instant content learning and a simple 3-step setup. Plus, it is a solid foundation that is scalable. Thanks for watching. I'm Sissy with Noupe. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.